How much is it worth to install a security system at home or at work? As home invasion crimes and homeless squatting grows, fake cameras or ones that only record activity are not enough. ABC 7 News reporter David Louie shows us a new approach involving social engineering that is emerging.
Salinas, like many other cities, is focused on revitalization of its aging downtown. A major hurdle is dealing with the homeless seeking shelter from the elements, especially overnight.
We're not trying to in any way denigrate who they are and their situation. We want to give them help.
Alvarez's company and the Downtown City Center Group are deploying an interactive security system called Deep Sentinel that dispels the assumption that security cameras record only.
This is Deep Sentinel Security. You're being recorded. You need to leave the property.
Most trespassers move on, surprised by the real person speaking to them. However, it's not a barking orders approach.
We've trained our guards to make it personal. In some examples, we just address the person based on the way they look. Hey, I see you. You're wearing these clothes and you're doing this right now. Can you please stop doing that?
Human monitoring also helps to deter break-ins of stores or parked vehicles. A smashed glass door can cost $10,000 to $15,000 to replace.
We need to protect our community as a whole, and not just allow people to do the things that they want to do because nobody's there to stop them from doing it.
A major contractor working on redevelopment projects in downtown Salinas saw another benefit when a subcontractor forgot to secure $20,000 worth of copper wire.
One of the Deep Sentinel guards called me, immediately called the police. This was 11, 12 o'clock at night, when they realized that spools of wire are laying out in the public right-of-way.
Interactive monitoring is also a new tool to prevent home invasion robberies. When guards tell suspects, police are being called.
They know immediately that they're going to be caught and they're going to be found guilty now of a felony.
In Monterey County, David Louie, ABC 7 News.